Hello, my name is Tom Sillis, and I'm the CEO of Wetcrow.com, WETCROW, and I'm the Wetcrow myself. Yeah. Okay, the purpose of this video is to announce gutter cleaning jobs across the U.S. I mean, there's tons of them. We are hiring all over the U.S. We're desperately in need of gutter cleaning and pressure washing professionals. We basically what Wetcrow does. We have pre-priced services that we know, based on the size house and what the job entails. We have a whole bunch of jobs defined, like for what you're doing. Okay, the size of the home, what the patio, if it's extra, we have what they call modifiers. They can add more stuff to be done, roof like that, and the whole 9 yards. Okay, now here's what happens. What happens. I mean, you're doing gutter cleaning, okay? You're out of work and you're trying to post on Craigslist. You're trying to post jobs, on the Facebook groups. Those things don't work, and everybody thinks that Craigslist people are all scammers. They're unlicensed professionals that are they got fired from their jobs or got the license got pulled. They got they're scammers. I mean, just the whole nine. People think that the Craigslist handymen are scammers right off the bat. They automatically assume that. So don't get into that rut. Either go with us. We pre-price the service. We have the prices. The customer searches the service. They see the prices. They pick an appointment right there. We have appointments there lined up. Right now we're running almost a week behind because we don't have enough guys like you. So come join us. Start making money. And you'll be happy you did, and you'll be making easily. You can make $1,000 a day, with us. I mean, it's not impossible. In fact, it's more probable if you do a good job. That's the main thing. Just join us now. If you don't want to join us, that's fine. I have another option for you. I'm going to give you free advice. It's not going to cost you a dime. Okay, you buy those. It costs you for the hangers. You buy the door hangers from Vistaprint. You go online, you go out in the morning from 7 to 9, distribute the flyers in 200 homes, and then the rest of the day you're going to be busy. You're going to have calls coming in. You're going to be out there doing work. You could bring in easily 1,000 to maybe 1,500 a day, because some of the jobs you guys do are pretty expensive. So, I mean, you don't want to be moving your truck around. So say you get one job today, you get one tomorrow, you get 5 jobs off the thing, and you start making a lot of money. I mean, what the hell? You got a nice little thing. Then you go out and buy more, door hangers and put them out. You'll pay like for 400, 400. They'll cost you like $78. That's nothing, in your time to go put them out there. If you have kids in the family, they go out there and do it while you're working. In the evening, they could be out doing door hangers while you're working. That could be a little job. Throw them $50. They're happy. Buy them something that they like. At the end, if they do that for a month, you buy them one of the things that like. It's going to be a lot cheaper for you than anything else. Than trying to do free advertising, which doesn't work. By the way, you're if you're doing cheap advertising, you're considered to be a cheapo. Nobody wants to use you. They like I said, they think you're a scammer. So stop posting on Facebook and groups and all these free spots, because you're losing money. It takes money to make money. Do it the right way. Okay, door hangers are much better. It's an investment, small investment, but it brings you back the best yield out of all the things ever. In fact, we do it. We have guys out there doing it. We have kids doing that all day long. And they love what they do. And they like Junior Achievement. We have all types of groups that, are doing that and helping us out. We donate money to their cause, and we get a lot of business that way. So, like I said, try it out. And if you have any questions, we'll be happy to help you. Register. You'll see the link at the bottom of the video. And by the way, once you subscribe to our channel while you're at it, we'll notify you of other, we do videos on how to do all kinds of things. So you'll benefit from our, you'll be an expert at being handyman or gutter cleaning or whatever you're doing. Again, thank you very much. Have a great evening.